Welcome back to Math 107 College Algebra. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to solve systems of equations using that involve nonlinear equations. So sometimes we can use elimination, like if I gave you the system x squared plus y squared equals 9, and x squared minus y squared equals 1. We can go ahead and add those together and we get 2x squared equals 10, or x squared is equal to 5, meaning x is equal to plus or minus the square root of 5. And now I can choose one of those equations to plug it into. I'm going to go ahead and plug it into the first one. And we need to plug in both the values. So first I'm going to go with the positive. Square root of 5 squared plus y squared equals 9. So that's going to be 5 plus y squared equals 9. Or y squared equals 4. Y equals plus or minus 2. And likewise, if I were to plug in negative 5, or negative square root of 5, we end up getting 5 plus y squared equals 9, and the rest of it's the same from there. So in this case, we end up getting 4 solutions to the system. Square root of 5, 2. Square root of 5, negative 2. Negative square root of 5, 2. And negative square root of 5, negative 2. So that's solving a system of equations using the elimination method, but it's pretty rare that we're actually able to use elimination on a problem like this. Instead, we're usually going to have to use the substitution method. So, a system you might see would be x squared y equals 16, and x squared plus 4y plus 16 is equal to 0. Now, just to show that we don't necessarily have to solve this for one of the variables, we might be able to solve it for a different expression, I'm going to go ahead here and solve that first equation for x squared. So I get x squared equals 16 divided by y. And I can plug that in to the other equation. So I get 16 over y plus 4y plus 16 is equal to 0. And then, in order to solve that, I need to go ahead and multiply everything by y. So I get 16 plus 4y squared plus 16y is equal to 0. And it actually turns out this factors is 4y plus 2 squared equals 0. So we end up getting y equals negative 2. So I can plug negative 2 in for y on the other equation. And I get x squared is equal to 16 divided by negative 2, or x squared equals negative 8, and we know that the square root of -8 is not a real number. When we're solving systems of equations, we're generally only going to care about real solutions. So we're going to say this system has no solution. So, that is the final video that I have planned for this course. On Tuesday, we're actually going to do an in-class activity over problems like this, so that we can get that final quiz grade in that we need to get in. So I will see you in class on Tuesday.